I just paid using only my palm at the grocery store without credit cards and cash. Let me show you how it works. You need to sign up on Amazon One kiosk, you insert your credit cards and the machine scans both of your palms. Then you enter your mobile number and agrees with terms of use. You're all set. I didn't believe that it worked that simple and decided to check it straight away. I just got something to drink and went to the cashier. And this is the moment. I just paid using my palm. Can you believe? What do you think about this technology?
Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how WalletMore implant works in real life. After ordering a drink, food or any other product, all you need to do is tap in your hand to the payment terminal. Forget about the cash, card or even a smartphone. All you need is your hand. WalletMore implants are biosafe, secure, ultimately convenient, and they are globally acceptable. WalletMore is a wallet of tomorrow. Get into the new era of payments and get your implant now.